want to be bougie. I want to be that girl. So when I found out that Lululemon do a like new section, I was all over that because it's a California staple. Everybody walks around in workout wear, and how can you possibly go into Whole Foods without Lululemon from head to toe? So I thought, how do I make my bank manager really happy? I am going to buy like new, lightly worn Lululemon items. So that's what I did. You heard me right, lightly worn workout wear. This is where it gets a little bit problematic for me because I love working out. I sweat a lot. However, not everybody does what I do. So comment below, would you wear used workout wear? So when I discovered this section of the Lululemon website, I went in, I read about it, and to give you a brief synopsis, it basically says that they take all the items back that are lightly worn and they resell them for those owners. And it helps the environment because it cuts down on waste. And I have heard over the years that Lululemon's items last forever. Literally, don't you just hate that phrase? Literally forever. So I thought, let's go off and let's buy some and see how good these items can be. So there are two sections to the lightly used. You have like new and you have good as no. You have gently used and good as new. So I got pieces from both because I wanted to see what the difference was. Now, immediately reading my receipts, what it did say is that the gently used would have missing size tags, faint pilling on multiple locations, faint discoloration on multiple locations as well. So I was like, okay, it's workout wear, you know, I'm going to be able to cover it, it'll be fine. And then the good as new is just basically meant to be as good as new. So you join me in some of the pieces. I did, however, wash them because it is used workout wear. And I bought 5 pieces from their website. And these 5 pieces cost me $230. Yes, you heard me correct. I said 5 pieces for $230. I got 2 pairs of workout pants. I got 2 of these tops. I got a jacket as well. So I didn't just get 5 of these little tops. I don't think that's bad. If I'd have gone on their website, it would have cost me probably $600–700. I'll leave the exact amount on the screen. Now the pitfalls of this used workout wear. I bought this jacket. And this jacket was covered in white dog hair. And this does have like dog hair on the inside. Don't know if the camera's picking that up. So I don't know who checked it. Maybe they were having an off day. Maybe it wasn't going so well, but it was absolutely covered in white dog hair. So I washed it. Now what I did notice as well is that both of these items are good as new. Now this one has the label inside. This one, however, the label has been cut out and they both have this stamp that says like new, which is almost like saying you've got Lululemon, but you can't quite afford the brand new stuff, can you? And if you are out and about and you don't want people to know that you've got like new Lululemon, I'm going to suggest that when you put this jacket on the chair, you maybe fold it over and put it in half, if that's a concern of yours. To me, it's not. My friends don't care. I don't care because we'll laugh and joke about the fact that I saved myself pretty much 50% on Lululemon. So I got this jacket and I have to say that I ordered the sizes that I would normally wear and it fits pretty well. I mean, I am usually a Old Navy girl wanting to be a Lululemon and where's the zip? Where's it? Oh my God, I thought the zip was missing. Okay, so I got this jacket and it fits. It really fits me as it normally would. The sizing seems fine. I got these leggings as well. I got my my new sneakers on. These are brand new and they go really well with this outfit. I've had lots of comments about these. So this jacket fits really well. I love the jacket, fits nicely. I'll be wearing this out and about. Do I look bougie to you? I feel bougie. I feel so bougie. Anyway, the other pitfalls that I found were that when you go into the like new, you have to go in and buy whatever is available, because it's like going thrift store shopping. You're not going to be able to find exactly what's on the Lululemon website on the like new, because what you need to remember is that's people returning stuff to the like new. So you have to, if you see something, you need to grab it. Also, there might be something that you see that you like, but it's not available in your size, which is another pitfall of the like new. But I just dealt with that. I just bought whatever I thought I liked the look of. And I have to tell you, I am really happy with all of my purchases, because it saved me so much money. And the amount of money I would have spent in Old Navy is exactly what I've spent on Lululemon. So if you can get your mind past the fact that you're buying used workout wear, and I'm just imagining that the person that owned this previously to me used it to run errands and go to the grocery store and didn't use it like I do for HIIT and strength and lots of sweating. I would definitely recommend it. If you want a review on how this workout wear holds up, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, I'm out.